My name is Joe Lyman. I'm the owner of Cedar Mesa Products Company. The pottery that we produce is all American Indian or Native American hand-painted. We're in San Juan County, Utah, a little town called Blanding. The population here is about 50% Navajo, and the other 50% a mixture of Ute tribes and Anglos, Hispanics. It's quite a diverse population. We're right on the edge of the Navajo reservation, the largest reservation of Indians, and this is their tribal homeland. They left here, but they came back. This is their home. My dad was an educator in the San Juan School District, and he noted the artistic ability of the Navajo and Ute students. Years later, he wanted to encourage that, and it led to the creation of Cedar Mesa Pottery, where we use that artistic ability and promote the artists, and hopefully provide a lot of jobs to Native American people who might not otherwise have one. The mission of Cedar Mesa Products is to employ as many Native American artists as we can and encourage them to retain some of their culture and their history, which is a difficult thing in the environment that they're in. We're in an interesting position right now, and they're watching a language die. The next generation of Navajo children will not speak Navajo. And some of the stories that are in their culture are not easily told in any other language. Elements of it are lost. And so part of what we're doing is try to encourage to hang on to some of that, to keep that culture alive. We have about 65 different painting styles that employ a number of different techniques to do those: hand brushing, airbrushing, sponging, etching. I don't know how many pieces we've sold, 4 or 5 million pieces of pottery that are all over the world. And I get people coming home as they travel around the country, "Hey, I saw your pottery in this place or that place." So it's kind of fun to see how widespread it is. The one thing that's unique about our gift shop here, as opposed to anywhere else where you can buy Cedar Mesa pottery, is the factory tour. Anybody is welcome to wander around the factory at their own leisure and watch the process. They see it, they know it's real. This didn't come from China. There's real people making it, real Navajo artisans that are crafting it and painting it, and that makes it come alive for them.
In the creation of Cedar Mesa pottery, clay from many parts of the United States are used in the preparation of casting slips and decorating mediums. The scientifically blended casting slip is pumped into the plaster molds to begin the molding process. Following a short curing period, the pottery is removed from the mold, trimmed, shaped, and moved to the drying area. The dry greenware is carefully scraped, sanded, sponged off, and an interior glaze is applied in preparation for decorating and firing. Modern gas and electric kilns are used for firing pottery to temperatures as high as 1900 degrees Fahrenheit. Some pieces are fired before decorating, some are fired after decorating, while some require 3 separate firings. Talented Indian artists apply many different decorating techniques and finishes. Lead-free glazes and high firing temperatures ensure the pottery is safe for food or as plant containers. Cedar Mesa Pottery ships to every state in the Union and several overseas locations. Foam-in-place packaging ensures safe arrival.
Other people make pottery that may look Native American or American Indian. Ours actually is. You can come and visit the factory and see people really doing the work and see that this is a native crafted item. If you're going to be visiting Utah or the Four Corners area of Utah, Colorado, Arizona, or New Mexico, you're in our neighborhood. You can see Monument Valley, you can see Hoven Leap, you can see Zions or Bryce National Park, Arches National Park near Moab, Glen Canyon, and Lake Powell. All of these are in our backyard, and it's a great place to come and visit. And while you're here, drop into our gift shop on Main Street in Blanding, Utah. We can offer you a free tour, and I'm sure we'll find a piece of pottery that will enhance your visit.